Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at a set of histograms that we have to decide which population histogram has more cheetahs with these small spots. So we compare histogram 1 and number 2. We have to decide which one shows a population with more cheetahs with small spots. Our options are histogram number 1, histogram number 2. Both histogram 1 and 2 have about the same. So looking at our two histograms, go ahead and select your choice, pause the video, and then unpause the video to see if you got the answer right and how we got the answer using our key concepts. All right. Do we think we got it? Let's take a look. When deciding which cheetahs have more small spots, we have to look at the variations that show the small spots of our cheetahs. So that would be variation 1, 2, and 3. When we're looking at 1, 2, and 3, we could say that each one has a unique distribution. When we compare the ones or the distribution of the smallest spots, we see that histogram 2 has a little bit more. We compare the variation of the number 2 small spots, we'll see that they're about the same. And when we compare the variation of the number 3 spots, we'll see that histogram 1 has a little bit more. So 2 has more, the same, and less compared to 1. So the only way that we could say that one of these histograms has more or less is if we knew how many each of these bars represented. But without knowing that, we have to make a judgment call. So we would probably argue that both histogram 1 and 2 have about the same. And we know that because we can describe the population by the traits present. And we can look at each of the numbers of individuals who have those traits. This bar is a little smaller than this bar. These two bars are about the same, and this bar is a little bit bigger than that bar. And when we compare those three, we can definitely say that they have about the same amount of small spotted cheetahs. So that's how we get our answer. If you have any questions, reach out. Otherwise, good luck with the rest.